Andromeda Stevens from Pilates Sports Center.
And I'm Nikki Alstetter with Pilates Studio City and Master Trainer for Pilates Sports Center. We have developed this incredible workshop called Getting Started as a Movement Professional, and we know what it's like to be in your shoes. You've just spent tons of time and energy and money to go through a movement program. Now it's time to start your business off the right way.
So what do? We can tell you that from our collaborative experience, we have both been there. We've been independent contractors, employees, we've worked for corporations, we've been hired and fired, we have open studios, we have sold studios.
Bought studios, we've created educational curriculum and workshops, and we've just been through the whole thing.
Through the ringer. So we're here to share our experiences with you and help you learn how to do this properly, effectively, efficiently, and get you started. Beginning with your professional packet, which is your resume, your insurance, all of these needed elements, maybe a business license, all the way through to
sales and marketing, developing who your real ideal clients are, how to speak to them through all of your website, your social marketing, how to create your rates, knowing your value out in the world. Gosh, this workshop is pretty fabulous, and you're going to want to take it if you are a new movement instructor.
This is your next step. So please join us at PilatesSportsCenter.com or PilatesStudioCity.com. Click on our website links and download your workshop today, and we look forward to seeing you in your studio soon.